Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to install the ESign app on your iPhone and iPad, highlighting its benefits and ease of use. First, let's understand what IPA files are and why they are essential for installing apps on iOS devices. Before we start, ensure your device is compatible and all necessary settings are configured to allow installations. Now, let's download the ESign IPA file through a trusted source. Follow these simple steps for a seamless download. To install the IPA file, we can use third-party tools. Let's look at the best options available. Next, we need to enable certain settings on your device to allow installations from external sources. It's time to install the ESign app. Follow these steps carefully for a smooth installation. If you run into issues, don't worry. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Once installed, here are some tips to get the most out of your ESign experience. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear about your experience with ESign. Please share your thoughts in the comments below.